Rub a candle on your faucet. A surprising trick to keep your bathroom spotless. Just one candle is enough to protect fixtures from water stains and buildup. Faucets and other metal surfaces in the bathroom quickly get covered in white residue. As water evaporates, limescale remains, ruining the look of a freshly cleaned sink. Shower fixtures lose their shine almost immediately, but there's an easy fix. Candle wax. Use a light-colored candle and rub it over the faucet, especially in areas where water tends to collect. Then, take a dry cloth and polish the surface. This step spreads the wax evenly, creating a protective layer. The result? Water will bead up and slide off instead of leaving white streaks. Your faucet will stay clean longer, saving you from constant scrubbing. A simple trick that's definitely worth trying.